Hello, I'm Dr. Gil Coleman, and I'd like to welcome you to the Wellness Center for Sport and Spine. At the Wellness Center for Sport and Spine, we treat our patients like family. We're different. We combine chiropractic, physical therapy, and rehabilitation all in one visit. We accept patients of all ages and have a passion for working with athletes. We're successfully treating a wide variety of conditions from headache and migraine to herniated disc, back pain, and sports injuries. Our doctors use modern equipment including spinal decompression, cold laser, and a multitude of chiropractic methods. We have more than 20 years of experience and have flexible hours. Are you frustrated and looking for a new perspective or second opinion? We'd love for you to challenge us. If personalized healthcare is what you want, then come see us on the corner of Stover and Drake in Fort Collins, or call us and set an appointment today.
Hi, my name is Justin. I'm a competitive figure skater, and I originally came to see Dr. Gil because I had a competition coming up, and I had a shoulder that was out of place and everything, and needed some help on it. In the months that I've seen him now, he's helped me to discover that it's not necessarily the shoulder issue. There's so many other things that help to connect that would create that shoulder problem that I had, such as the back and all the muscles that connect to it. In a session, he doesn't just put the bones back in place. He will work on the muscles and all that connective tissue in the middle of the bones and everything to make the bones go back, and they stay a lot better. And as a result, and he's not just done that on my shoulder. It's been my neck, my back. Feet especially has helped me, being that my feet are in skates most of the day. So it's helped me to jump better and just be more balanced in general. But I guess what I'm saying is it's not just about putting bones back in place. It's a little more elaborate than that and more involved. And I don't know. It's been a good experience overall, and very helpful in my line of work, which is competitive figure skating.
Hi, my name is Jennifer, and I started coming to Dr. Coleman's office for my son, who is 13 and a half, and his pediatrician at his most recent exam found some scoliosis. So I asked Dr. Coleman to take a look. And through that process, we found that it was actually pretty significant, which we did not initially think. So we were faced with a pretty big surprise, and obviously I also consulted an orthopedist. That was sort of the angle that most of our friends and family and his pediatrician preferred us to go. His orthopedist took a look at him as well. Was not very concerned, didn't really have any procedures he wanted to do for my son, but was not opposed to us exploring chiropractic. So we have been aggressively seeking chiropractic treatment, and Dr. Coleman sees him 3 times a week. And we have, in I believe 2 to 3 months, maybe, of treatment, noticed significant improvement with him. We haven't repeated x-rays, but in functionality, his legs are even most of the time when he comes in for a visit. If they're off, they're very slightly off. Initially, they were significantly off. And his flexibility has improved tremendously. He's definitely able to run easier with less pain and function easier at school with less pain. And it's been really neat to see, and I look forward to hopefully in a month or 2 repeating this video and showing you the improvement on his x-rays.
What happened to you?
Through this process, I happened to ask, and it never occurred to me. You always think of chiropractors for helping your back. And I have had terribly weak wrists for years, which have, in the last few years, functionally really made a big difference. I don't golf anymore. I couldn't do a push-up if you paid me $100. And lo and behold, it just didn't occur to me. So I asked Dr. Coleman to take a look at my wrists, and 2 weeks after my first adjustment, I am significantly able to bear weight on them. Looking forward to hopefully trying to golf again this summer, and shocked in 2 weeks out of nowhere, the improvement in the pain in my wrist. So it's been great.
Hello, my name is Dana, and I am a figure skater and also a coach of the synchronized skating team at CSU. And I first met Dr. Gil through my sister-in-law, and she was coming in for her first appointment, so I came with her and was introduced to him, and I decided that I was going to come try him out, and I ended up getting some great orthotics for my skates and for my shoes, and he also adjusts me each time to help me kind of adjust to those orthotics. And I just saw a huge difference in my performance on and off the ice. I typically work out, almost 5 days a week, and then I'm on the ice at least 3 times. And as far as my edge quality and all of that, of course there was no pain after I started going to him. And so a year after I have gone to Dr. Gil, I was able to pass my junior moves, which was really exciting, a big milestone for myself. And I wasn't able to get the turnout that I needed until I was getting the treatment that I needed for my hips and my upper neck. And he just did a great job encouraging me not only to promote health in my body, but also to give me positive feedback as far as just inspiring me to be a better person and to just go after my dreams. And so he's a great doctor, and he's also a fabulous coach as well as far as life things go. So that's pretty much my story. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Bryce Gonzalez. I've been seeing Dr. Gil for about 8 months now. The reason I came in initially was a lower back injury. I didn't know how I had hurt my back. I had tried everything, tried stretching, had gone to the doctor, and really chiropractic was my last resort before spending the money on an MRI. I was really skeptical of chiropractors. I had never been before. Really just didn't have any knowledge of it, didn't really believe in it at all. My sister had come to Dr. Gil first, and she had really essentially experienced some physical, just really miracles in her life, really life-changing results being here. So I thought that I'd give it a shot, and 6 or 7 months later, after working with him, my back problems really basically went away completely. Never ended up going into the doctor and spending the big money that I was afraid of spending, and have just really grown in a lot of trust with him. Had experienced heartburn my entire life. Everything that I ate virtually on a daily basis before I came in, and in my first visit, Dr. Gil asked me if I had ever had any stomach problems, and kind of really just caught me off guard. I wasn't expecting to come in here and talk about stomach problems, and I told him that I had, and he said, "Oh, well, I think we can get those taken care of for you." So I just didn't really believe that that would happen, and from that day on, I have had hardly any heartburn in my life. It's really absolutely blown my mind. So I've really been a huge believer in this. It's completely changed my life, and I would recommend the same for you.
My name's Rayma. I came to Dr. Gil about 3 or 4 months ago because I had a car accident and I was having pain in my knee and my shoulders and my neck. And since treatment started, I've been able to snowboard without pain in my knee, and work as a dental hygienist has become a lot less painful and more enjoyable. And I highly recommend him if you have any pain or any questions. He's very friendly and personable, and he's a pretty great guy. So thank you, Dr. Gil.